I'm conscious that I have very big size shoes to fill. Justice Lalit's career from his time as a lawyer has been a reflection of his dedication to public service. His judgments on wide-ranging aspects of the criminal law, including the death penalty and the scope of criminal appeals, will continue to mirror a reflection of who we are as a society. I believe, which is showering all this praise and not just an accolade to your lawyering and to judging, but also to the remarkable leadership that you have shown as the Chief Justice of India, as well as for the work that you have done which has uplifted our institution. Personally, as your successor, I'm conscious that I have very big size shoes to fill because you have really raised the bar for the Chief Justice. Justice Lalit's career from his time as a lawyer has been a reflection of his dedication to public service. Obviously, there's a big monetary sacrifice when a member of the bar accepts judgeship for the Supreme Court. But you don't accept judgeship ever for the monetary rewards or the perquisites which are attached to the office. They can be all in vain if you don't be true to the call of conscience which leads you to these offices. Justice Lalit served as a member of the Supreme Court Legal Service Committee for 2 terms. He was CBI Special Prosecutor in all the 2G matters. He was one of the most favored amicus curiae in the court, served in multiple landmark matters including vehicular pollution, forests and the pollution of the river Yamuna. I've heard stories about how Justice Lalit appeared in almost every high court and how in those days, when there were no virtual hearings, he would appear in multiple courts in the same day, located in different locations. I dare say that if the then Chief Justice had appointed me as chairperson of the E-Committee when Justice Lalit was at the bar, he would have had multiple screens on his desk to conduct multiple hearings. Along with his sincerity, the knowledge and the experience he has brought from his journey as a lawyer to the bench, as well as the Chief Justice of India, everything has really benefited our institution. His judgments on wide-ranging aspects of the criminal law, including the death penalty and the scope of criminal appeals, will continue to mirror a reflection of who we are as a society and what we profess to be for the decades to come. His demeanor on the bench has been an example for all of us on how we can remain calm, even in the most stressful of solutions. In a sense, it reflects Justice Lalit's temperament, a yearning to reach out to unheard voices. He is, as my mother would say, a sthita prajna. When you sit with him on the bench, there's an all-pervading sense of calm which he exudes and which reflects onto his colleagues as well. On the administrative side, Justice Lalit has been committed to increasing access to justice, not just during his tenure as a Chief Justice of India. Even earlier, while serving as the chairperson of the National Legal Services Authority, he has performed an amazing job in encouraging initiatives